everybody. My name is Dr. Clay Cockerell. I'm a dermatologist and also a dermatopathologist, but I have some other training too. I've taken a couple of MBA programs and actually have finished a law degree. And the title of this seminar that we're doing is called Business 201. Basically, the reason we're calling it 201 is I've given some lectures over the years, just in general, about business-related things. Actually, one of the lectures I'm going to be giving to you is a version of that lecture. But we realize that dermatologists, doctors in training, medical students, their spouses have come through the world of college, medical school, training, and virtually nowhere in there do you get any good information about things related to the business world. And when you get out of your training, whatever that is, or whatever specialty it is, or whatever type of practice you're going to go into, be that academics, be it private equity related owned businesses, be it your own private practice or whatever, you're going to be exposed to people in the business world. And many of them are, good relationships, things that you kind of want. Some of them are sometimes predatory. They actually look at doctors in training as opportunities to cash in on, if you will. And then some of them are just situations where you just feel completely at sea. You don't really even know. And I know in my own experience, I've had a lot of experiences with business-related people over the years. I felt kind of like a deer in the headlights. I didn't really know what was going on. So that's why I went back and re-educated myself, got a couple of MBA degrees, and then ultimately even got a law degree. We're trying to do this seminar for you, so you don't have to do all that. We can give you kind of in one day, a very intense series of talks given by very good people many of them are close friends of mine. They're experts in the field about these various topics that you need to know about, ranging things from legal related things, real estate related things, finance, accounting, taxes, estate planning, all these kind of things, leadership, intellectual property. We have topics on all of these in here. And all of the people that are giving them are world experts on this. This is what they do for a living. Many of them are renowned experts. They basically are known throughout the country and have given lectures all over the United States and sometimes even internationally. So we're very fortunate to have this group of people that have been willing to dedicate their time. They're doing this free of charge. They're not expecting anything in return, although I would request that if you do have the need for some of these services, that you consider them as your go-to source for this. They are in business. They are looking for new clients, but they're doing this really mainly because they believe in what we're doing and they're supporting you and me. And we really appreciate their efforts that they've taken out of their day of busy schedules to give these talks. We originally were going to do these live, but we decided it would open to a wider audience if we did them virtually. They will be recorded, so you can look at them at your leisure, or you can look at them more than once. You can look at some of it and then come back and look at it again later. So there's all sorts of ways that you can use this. It'll be online. It'll be something that you have access to for as long as you really need it. So we're really hoping this will be something that's going to be valuable to you. So without any further ado, I really appreciate you all attending. We are going to have a live Q&A session. I believe it's going to be on Tuesday, May the 21st, about 6:30 Central Time. And you can save up questions. You can submit those live if you want to submit them to us by email or chat. We'll try to respond to as many of those as we can. So I really hope this is going to be educational for you. I hope you're going to something that you'll be glad that you attended. Tell your friends about it. Have them join later on. Again, if you want to have your spouse or significant other be involved, they're more than welcome to access this material. So thanks again for your attention, and I really appreciate this. Hope it's going to be valuable for you.